Okay, let's meet guys, ang mga gwapo ng Ginoong Santo Domingo 2026. Pakilala na kayo one by one.
Hello guys everyone, my name is Jason Corpus. I am from the province of Surigao del Sur.
Hi guys, I'm Ken Cyrusén Mariano and I'm from Davao region.
Madayaw, mabuhay. I am Jester Nico Suarez representing Davao del Norte.
Okay, so yung segment natin ngayon ay witty questions. Payag ka, okay? Sasabihin nyo kung payag kayo or hindi and then short explanation. Okay, ready? Ikaw muna.
Oh, sige.
Okay. Payag ka bang ikaw ang best in talent pero ang talent mo ay matulog ng nakadilat?
Yes po, I believe that every talent is worth valuing po. If it is something that other people can learn from or something that would inspire other people to appreciate what they are able to do uniquely and maybe accept that for themselves, then that is something that I would accept and hopefully inspire other people po. Thank you.
Wow, bongga. So, ikaw naman. So, yung question natin, witty ha. Kailangan witty din yung sagot nyo. Okay? Eto na. Payag ka bang ikaw ang best in smile pero ngipin lang ang visible sa buong pageant?
Hindi bilang visible. Payag po ako. Kasi po, we are all unique in our different aspects. And I believe if smile naman po, ngipin lang din po yung makikita sa akin. If that's my unique aspect, then papayag po ako. I would probably do that.
Siyempre, galingan mo. Witty question to. Dapat witty answers ka din. Okay. Payag ka bang maglakad sa runway pero may manok na kasabay mong mag-catwalk?
Of course, I can walk with a chicken with a catwalk. Why? It is because I can still show my confidence, and it is not just about my surroundings. It is not just about the background, but it is about how you're going to show your confidence to the people. And I think I am confident, and I think I can do it.
Okay. Sa'yo, ikaw naman ang una. Payag ka bang ikaw ang people's choice pero tatlong tao lang ang bumoto?
Well, for me, I can say na it's their own opinion to vote for me. And I can say na papayag po ako. Kasi it's their own opinion and I'm going to respect that one. And then, there's no such person who will not going to let your image to, para walang bumoto sa'yo. So, just be thankful of the people that voting for you. And you should just appreciate it.
Payag ka bang ikaw ang judge's favorite pero hindi ka favorite ng makeup artist?
Yes po, papayag po ako. Kasi being someone's favorite po is, for me, is a blessing. So, being someone's favorite is subjective. So meaning na meron pong ibang magkakagusto sa akin at meron naman pong ibang hindi ako gusto. Kaya po, for me, I'm being thankful kung sino po yung mga nagsusupport sa akin. Because for me, that is a blessing.
Okay. How about you? Ito na. Payag ka bang ikaw ang unang tinawag sa top 5 pero nakalimutan mong umakyat sa stage?
I believe that is a very unfortunate event po. But however, me being able to make it to the top 5 po is already something that I am really grateful for. Okay lang naman po sa akin. It's better late than never po. And so I would really appreciate it naman.
Okay, last na to. Kasi ang mga supporters nyo, eto gusto nilang malaman, bakit deserve mong manalo as Ginoong Santo Domingo 2026?
So, I believe I deserve to win Ginoong Santo Domingo 2026 because I am an intentional person. I am a purpose-driven person. Marami po akong advocacy. I have an advocacy, which is the Agro Project. And it has been something that I hold deeply into my core as an individual, as someone who is multifaceted. I hope to inspire many people to do great things in their own endeavors po. And that is why I believe I stand out and I can be an all-star winner for Ginoong Santo Domingo.
Okay. How about you? Same question lang. Bakit deserve mong makoronahan ngayong gabi at hindi yung iba?
I think deserve po ako makoronahan because I have a core. And that core is my spirit. My spirit to discover new things, to face every problems that I face in my life, and also to join and accept every opportunities that comes in my life. Because for me, being here in this pageant alone is such a blessing. And this is an opportunity that I will always be thankful and grateful for.
Okay, sa'yo same question. Bakit ikaw ang dapat koronahan at hindi sila?
Okay, so for that, I should be crowned tonight because I am not just a Ginoo who take the titles or who take the money itself, who take the crown, but I am a Ginoo who takes responsibility. And if ever to be crowned tonight, I'm going to take that responsibility to fulfill all of those duties of a Ginoo. And for that, I will going to use my platform, which is about the access to free quality education, so that I can be able to use my voice to share to the other people, so that I can help them to shape their future. That's all.
Okay, promote nyo na ang inyong mga social media account.
Hello guys, everyone. Can you follow me, Jason Corpus, in Facebook, in my Facebook account and on my Instagram?
Hello guys, once again I am Ken Cyrus in Mariano. That's Ken Cyrus on Facebook. And if you want to support me, you can just go and Ginoo at Binibining Santo Domingo page and support me there. You can see me and see you at the Color Night Show.
Hello everyone, once again this is Jester Nico Suarez. If you want to follow me, feel free to visit my Facebook, which is Jester Nico Suarez, and also my Instagram, which is Nico Suarez. Maraming salamat and thank you everyone for your support.
Siyempre, bago tayo magtapos, palambing naman, paano na din? Like and follow Miss Lala Loves Pageantry. Promote nyo na din.
Of course, thank you so much to Miss Lala Loves. Please follow her on Facebook din po.
And so thank you so much to Miss Lala Loves. Miss Lala Loves
Kumpletuhin nyo.
Please follow her on Facebook.
Everyone, to those people who are watching today, can you please follow Miss Lala Love Pageantry and to all the social media accounts, including Facebook or any types of social media. So, yep.
Ay, ang galingan nyo mamaya. Good luck!
Pwede ba po